Look how she's sexy. You know what's expect me show me shot after Jada Kingdom? Any normal human being, any normal man, I gonna do that. You know, no man in this world, now I'm gonna shoot him shot. Oh, now I take him joking in the comment section. But earth now. I don't even know where to start. Like, you try your best. You try your best to like show someone what you feel about them. Have a conversation with someone, yo, like. You have all seen the post on Jada Kingdom page already. You have all heard my voice notes. Yes, it was me. I just can't understand why you decide, why she decide, why, I can't understand why she decided to post it, like. You see me, I try and shoot him shot privately. As you can see, it is stressing me right now. You can see evidence that it has stressed me. Watch it. You got you too much, yo. Too much, man. You got you too much. I'm just thinking about it like, everyone, for all of you who don't know or don't see what we're talking about or hear what I'm talking about, it's obviously, it's out there for the world here already, so let's put it right. Listen to this.
Telling you that I'm not a stalker or anything like that, meaning I'm not gonna stalk you, stalk your profile or anything like that. I'm just a normal person, you know what I mean? And also my profile is there so you can see who am I or what am I about, you know what I mean? No.
I was simply what any human being would do. Shoot him shot. And I made a simple mistake. Not even mistake. You all know using the type autocorrect. Cause autocorrect. It's autocorrect. Everyone take it for a big joke, yo. I simply go autocorrect, yo. Why would I type that? And then you have the people in the comment section. Yeah, man. You have the people in the comment section. Yeah, mother. No. Yeah, mother with this, yo. The people in the comment section. All them people in the comment section are going to all of the people in the comment section now. All of them laugh after me. And I tell me for joke. Like, look how Jada Kingdom sexy now. Look how she's sexy. You know what's expect me show me shot after Jada Kingdom? Any normal human being, any normal man, I gonna do that. You know, no man in this world, now I'm gonna shoot him shot. Oh, now I take him joking in the comment section and I'm gonna wonder. but me when I shoot him shot at Jada Kingdom, I was just laugh after me. Me make a simple little mistake, I tell me mistake, a simple little typo. To correct. Why would I use Starker? Starker is Iron Man. I would have said that to them. That one in the comment section and laugh after me. Like, when I laugh after my accent. You have a tongue when you talk to a woman. They cannot talk to a woman and not. But hurts now. But I feel that they ever talk to Jada Kingdom and get the child was star. But I feel like I'm going to talk to her again because, oh no, we. Wicked. Imagine me, I try to shoot him. Man, I try to shoot him. Shot after a woman. After a woman. You want to talk about me, I mean. Watch it. Jada Kingdom, no. You shouldn't do it. You know people stare. You know Jamaican people stare already. You can see for the space me and the name and say, you make a little type of error. Cry no more. Cry now, me don't cry. Me not cry for you no more. No. Nah, do it. Nah, do it. Nah, do it, man. Not doing it. Nah, do it. No. Don't cry. Okay, I don't care about nothing. I don't care about nothing. Man, I don't care about nothing, man. Imagine, look how I fix up the argument, dog. Look how I fix up the argument. Look how I try to talk to her. Listen to listen to this. Look how I fix up the argument. Just listen to this.
Just telling you that I'm not a stalker or anything like that, meaning I'm not gonna stalk you, stalk your profile or anything like that. I'm just a normal person, you know what I mean? And also my profile is there so you can see who am I or what am I about, you know what I mean?
Kill it. Oh my gosh. Alright, go on. Alright, YouTube. Yeah, I know it's a joke. But anyways, I did a video like this back last year. When we have the macro official storyline that go on for my channel. But I wanted that video they get 100,000 views, yo. You need to check out that video there. But anyways, thanks for checking out my channel, thanks for checking out my video. And every video I say this, yo, we're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers See the eat. So that will make me man for that. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel if you all are new. Smash that like button and support the Jamaican boy, isn't it? But Jada Kingdom, I play with me, yo. I want to you. I see I make video with man. Act too much. But yeah, people. I just wake up and I say I'm here with some man. And I become me stress. I become me stress, yo. But they are easy still, isn't it? Post daily over here, people. So subscribe with notifications on. And just comment any other video you want to see me react to music videos and the reactions. Do everything over here. So comment some video ideas you want to see on the channel. I'm gonna go edit this up nice phone now, put in little sad music in it and thing. Watch the video. And then so, watch the ads.